Hello students, today we all have know about the chapter evolution. We see our daily life, the things which are some are simple, some are complex, and these variations are found in our atmospheres. So these changes occurs at a different interval, but changes takes place continuous. So how we can define evolution? It is a cumulative changes in the organism. It is the cumulative changes in the organism which leads to develops a specific feature in them. This is known as evolution. First of all, we know how life is originated on the earth. Before origination of life, the universe is forms. All organisms are inhabitants in the universe. So first of all, universe are forms. How universe is forms? The universe is formed by the special process which are explained by the Big Bang theory. The Big Bang theory explained how universe is formed. According to this theory, the universe is formed by the huge explosion. Huge explosion. After huge explosion, various parts of earth is formed, that is the moon, sun, and other waters, sea, etc. Next, earth. The earth is formed nearly 4.5 million years ago. Forms nearly 4.5 million years ago. When the earth is formed, it composed of large amount of waters. When the ultraviolet rays reaches on the earth, the water breaks up into hydrogen and oxygen. Some oxygens are escaped in the atmospheres, where the light atmosphere fuse to other elements and form new compounds. Hydrogen also fuse to other compound and form ammonia, carbon dioxide, etc. amino acids. Theories of origin of life. Origin of life. Origin of life. How life is originated on the earth. Various theories explain to origination of life on the earth. The first is theory of special creation. Theory of special creation. Second, theory of panspermia. Theory of panspermia. Theory of spontaneous generation. Theory of spontaneous generation. Theory of chemical evolution. Theory of chemical evolution. These are the various theories which explain how life is originated on the earth. The first theory of special creation, the various religious different mythologies, the all things which are present on the earth created by a special power known as God. The God made all things which are present on the earth. These things are already present in the various forms, and it is possible to these are also present in the future in the as forms. This is known as theory of special creation. Second, theory of panspermia. According to this theory, the all livings are forms on the earth through a spores. These spores comes on earth from the other planets. Means अर्थ पे जो न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म का फॉर्मेशन हुआ है वो स्पोर्स के थ्रू हुआ, और ये स्पोर्स कहां से आए? अदर प्लैनेट्स, दूसरे प्लैनेट से. एंड थर्ड इज theory of spontaneous generation. This theory explained that the all living organisms are origin on the earth by a star or merge directly. But this theory was failed, cannot explain how the living organisms are developed directly with the mud or straws. Theory of chemical evolution. This theory explains that the all organisms are formed on the earth by a process of chemical evolutions. These chemicals first of all present in the elemental forms. As the time passes, they fuse to each other and form organic compounds. N2 plus 3H2 forms ammonia, and various other compounds are formed by the fusing of elements. These inorganic compounds fuse to each other and forms organic compound, and ultimately forms amino acids and then nucleic acids and proteins. This theory was proposed by two scientists, Oparin and Haldane. Oparin and Haldane explain the chemical evolution or modern theory. It is also known as modern theories. Next, abiogenesis. Abiogenesis, and second is biogenesis. Abiogenesis means the origination of living on the earth by the non-living things is known as abiogenesis. But this is not possible in the present time. In the past times, when the earth is newly formed, then this condition is present and organisms are formed. Biogenesis means living to living. This theory explains that all new organisms are formed from the pre-existing cells और प्री एग्जिस्टिंग एनिमल्स मीन्स जो भी न्यू एनिमल्स फॉर्म होता है या फॉर्म होगा वो पास्ट में जो प्रेजेंट है उसी से उसका फॉर्मेशन होगा. दिस इज नोन एज बायोजेनेसिस. वेरियस एक्सपेरिमेंट्स प्रूव्ड इन द बोथ थ्योरीज बायोजेनेसिस एज वेल एज एबायोजेनेसिस. एबायोजेनेसिस फेवर में Stanley Miller proved that in the laboratory how organisms are formed from the non-living matters. They use a flask in which water is heated and also use electrodes in which nearly 800 degrees Celsius temperatures were provided. After a few weeks, they observed that amino acids are formed in the artificial mediums. This is proof that the origin of life on the earth by the non-living things. Biogenesis. Biogenesis, in this theory, it is explained that by two scientists, Louis Pasteur and Francisco Redi. They used flask to which neck is swan-like, and use some material in the flask and observe the flask which are completely in which no any microbes are formed, but in the flask in which whose neck is bread, in which numbers of microbes or bacteria are developed in them. This is proof that the life is originated from the pre-existing life. It favors the biogenesis. These are the two experiments which favor in the abiogenesis and biogenesis. Biogenesis के फेवर में स्टेनली मिलर एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, एबायोजेनेसिस के फेवर में, एंड बायोजेनेसिस के फेवर में लुई पास्चर का एक्सपेरिमेंट्स.